How to create drive link for photos. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you can simply do is launch the Chrome browser, or you can directly do from the Google Drive application. So I'm going to tap on Google Drive and make sure that you're logged into your account. So as you log into your account, you can see different files over here. Now if you want to create drive link for a particular photo, simply tap on the three dotted lines beside the picture. As you do that, scroll down and here you can see the option of copy link. So just tap on copy link and you have created a drive link for your photos. Now you can just share it to anybody that you'd want. Like I'm gonna select it and share it via Telegram to my friend over here. So you can just tap on it and just send it to anybody that you wish to send it. And as you do that, you create drive link for your photos. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.